This is the Trim-a-Tree Colorize die set from Sizzix. It's a great large tree die that is made up of a bunch of different layers. And I love when you put those layers together, how much texture and dimension you get from this tree. Here I'm just using some mixed media heavy stock with it, and then I go and spray it with some mica sprays. I love that the ornaments are also included in the dies in this set, as well as the star on the top and the tree base. The tree die cuts themselves get progressively smaller, so it's very easy to see exactly what order they go in and how they layer together. There are also little branches that are cut out, but not cut out all the way through. When you're assembling this piece, you can put them, or you can curl them out just to give it a little bit more texture. For the projects I'm creating here, I'm doing one of the trees with all of its layers, and then I'm creating a tag where I took one of those trees and just die cut one of the layers out of there to create a negative open space. I use liquid glue to assemble this, that way I can shimmy it and move into place and make sure it is layered properly. And like I said, those branches are really easy to flip out just to give it a little bit of extra texture and dimension. I love how this would look on the front of a card. I'm just making a gift tag ornament, but it would look really, really nice on the front of a larger sized card. It's a little bit too tall for a 4¼ by 5½ inch, as you could see right there. Those ornaments were very easy to put together as well and layer them onto the front of the tree. This is a fantastic die set, and I'm sure it's going to be used for years to come.